How's that food looking, guys?
Great.
How'd the chef do?
Awesome. I don't care what they say about it.
This guy?
Good.
Keith, hey Keith. Keith, you got speakerphone?
Yeah, I got speakerphone. World knows it.
Apparently. D-Bot, thanks for bringing the motor home.
Yeah. Right on.
Here, I'll run that Shane. Go ahead. We're needing you guys over here. You two.
Everybody's attention. Ready. Everybody's attention.
Hey guys, pay attention.
Hey.
You guys come in here real quick. Yeah, bacon's going up.
Bacon's going up the flame.
What is it?
Tipped on fire.
All right, we're here. Let's have a tick. Last day of school. Cooking out. Got a cake for both instructors, Shane and Dirk. We have pretty much says it all, but we're going to go one step further. And Dirk, like I said, you know, the 2% is what makes a difference. So, Shane, from all of us. Dirk, from all of us, thank you very much for years of having you guys.
You have to take dirt.
Oh man, love it.
Is it,
Love it.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Small guy.
Thanks, fellas. That means a lot.
Let's get it. No, we can do that. We can do that.
This, I had a chance to talk to some of you guys, and maybe not all of you, but I know that I told somebody that I'd like to be a relational teacher. I like to have a relationship. Not expected, very appreciated. Very appreciated.
Ditto.
Hang out your tongue.
It works in other areas of my life. This is awesome. You know, we get so busy, and sometimes I think we forget to just say thanks. And you know, even just as early as a week ago, you know, out of all honesty, we were really planning on a party. You know, we didn't. It wasn't. Oh, we're going to teach the last day, and you know, and obviously, why do you think we want to teach the last days? Because we care. We want you guys to get everything out of that curriculum that's available, and I think even our own personal lives, sometimes we just forget. You got to stop and smell the roses. You got to stop and have fun and whatnot. So once we both just kind of were like, what are we doing? We need to do this, and we need to do it for you. Like we wanted to serve you guys back to just say, you know, thanks for letting us be part of your life. And you know, Dirk, you said it well, but it's just been for me personally, it's just been the biggest growth of my life this last semester, and I guess can't wait to keep on doing it. So you guys were definitely a big part of you know, me growing and me learning, and you know, I keep thinking about the days coming ahead of those first starts, of those first engines, and those failures that become successes, and just love you guys and keep in touch.
Well, Shane, thank you, Eddie and Dirk. Been in the schools. There's only so much you learn from the textbook. But it's just the ones that, the stories, and humor, all the little tricks that you showed us. I said everything's just that little extra 2%.
That's awesome.
Sorry.
Well,
Yeah, let's eat.
let's keep having some fun. We got a lot of awards for you guys here pretty quick.
Hey, yeah, stay in this room because we're going to start rolling with the awards. There's a bunch of them.
Ready? Are we ready? So we're rolling right now? Okay. All right.
No, she's shaking her head just because.
I'm short on my brain isn't like being, you know, in my head. Hey guys, I gotta tell you, you know, as much as you shocked me, and Dirk and I about the gifts and the cake and all that, hey, and I didn't pick up my card there. That better not walk out of here. Is my gift card over there?
You got a card over here?
We have never done something like this in my 6 years of doing this, and then in the 3 years here with. So this is a new tradition, and you know, as you're videotaping here, you see the trophy the guys made for the class, 2013. A lot of new things going on, a lot of fun that's being had. But I want you to understand the awards we're given today, other than a couple of them that Dirk and I did on our own, you guys did all the voting, and it was kind of a struggle because there were some ties. And ultimately, Dirk, his thoughts were, it's not up to us to break the ties. All of these awards that you guys got today, although they're out of being good-hearted and having fun, we looked at them and went, wow, that really lines up, or that's really cool. And some of them were like, why'd you choose that person? So everything you guys are getting today, you guys voted for. There was no WIT staff, no anything. This is just you guys as the, Dirk and I talking about relationships. The investments you guys made to get to know each other, to help each other, to show your skills or whatever, this is all about you. So you guys excited to see how these all turned out?
Yeah.
All right, cool. The first one we're starting off with happens to be a tie. And the way the gal did it is she put your name first for you to hang it on your own wall. But the first one is the top chassis technician. So you must have demonstrated some skills between forks and suspensions and wheels and all kinds of stuff. And the winners are?
Alan Atwood.
We'd like to get some photos with you guys afterwards with it. And,
How about just to keep it efficient, let's just do it as they come up.
Can we get someone to run a camera?
Yep. Listen.
Here. Well, you do.
That's fine. That's fine. Take that.
Next person.
Alright. Okay, so everybody say that. When you get an award, you get a picture.
Okay,
Boom,
and
boom, boom.
the tie was Kelly Nias.
Was that for shortest student class?
Next, another tie, but I don't know where the other one is. All right, this one, it's the only frame that ended up being a pile of junk, so I gotta apologize for that. You know, it is what it is. This one is for most improved. I dig this award. I dig this award because some of you guys come in here and we're like, we don't really know why you chose a program like this, but you guys took a look at everybody and you chose Reed.
What's a two-stroke down?
Are my teeth green?
Yeah. Okay, next one was for the best project. Lionel Brown. You couldn't pick a better day to get the award, right?
No doubt. Where's your bag?
He ran to my grandma no fast.
Dang it.
All right, best problem solver. And this stuff, man, I'm saying this is resume stuff. This is hang on the wall, hang on your shop for Charles. For the best What do you guys think of these good-looking awards?
Your battery's not dying, too.
Then we'll switch. Hey, you get to keep it. Yeah.
There you go. We'll pass it out to next year's Charles.
Okay. What a cool award.
Yeah.
What a cool award.
Yeah.
Most creative. Terry Borg. Smile pretty. I expected that to come out of your mouth. Okay, man, God, all of these. I promise I was to do everything possible. Now, this frame sucks too. Okay, anyway.
So 2 frames up.
Hardest worker, Jeff Anderson.
Yeah! Gangsta!
Hey, you know I'm straight to the BGA.
This was a very, very last award to be thought of. This was the very last one to be thought of. This was for, I know I did a terrible job. She did the first, I only did the last 6.
All right.
For the best dressed, Tristan Scorpio.
I got that in 6th grade.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wow, another awesome one. Okay, best team player, Robbie Vanderbush.
Right on. This is your cake.
God, this is the one I would want. This is the one I would want. Well, it's 1 or 2. Nah, we're good. Do that one later. Top class mechanic.
Yeah, put it back.
Yeah, right. That one's too good. That one's too good. This makes sense. This makes sense. Thanks for coming.
You bet. Thanks for having me. You bet.
Sorry, my bad. Okay. Most outgoing in the computer room to females. Oh no, wait, it just says that most outgoing. That would be Zach Archer. Mr. Motocross. Okay. This one, okay, you know, we didn't design these, right? We sent them to our designer here at WIT and had, you know, I had made this award, the most awesomest work study ever. And I put in a parentheses, you know, yes, I mean awesomest because we know that's not a word. It wouldn't come up on spell checker. And she actually put that on the award, yes, I mean awesomest. And it's perfect. Grams. All right, this one is this. I don't even know why we have to work for this. Most likely to win a motocross championship, Zach Archer. I haven't seen your skill set yet.
I thought for sure I needed to be there.
We're hoping.
I don't know.
Give me a year.
Give you a year.
Come back in a year. Why'd you guys come up with so many? Oh, look at this. Let me get this one. This is a special opportunity because you know, I got to be honest. Now I'm getting teared up. I didn't even know that it was this far. It surprises me. That's serious dedication.
So the next award is the student who drove the furthest daily with a round trip of 164 miles, 164.6. I ran a marathon and that 0.6 means a lot. So I'm glad we got it on there. Ross Lesher.
Is there a second place award?
Now, this would have been my idea for you, Zach. I was going to reach over and give Shane a kiss.
Glad you didn't give me one.
You need it to smile, not look like a sir.
Guys, we talk a lot and we do things and this and that. You know, more than anything lately, we have said time and time again, we don't know what's going on in your life. you know, as much as we try and this and that, and it's, you know, getting together like this a little more often to understand there's some crazy dedications, and it isn't just driving, it's kids, and it's jobs, and it's everything. And so, you know, we're really trying to be aware of that and be appreciative of that as well. So, good stuff. This one's going to be really hard to figure out. The Old Boy Award. Tim Board.
Use your teeth again.
Okay, that's another. Oh, here's a tie, here's a tie, here's a tie. The Most Patient Award. I wouldn't win this at all.
No. Matter of fact, it says Most Patient Award, not Shane Conley. But, next year. Jeff Van Dusen.
And Terry Gold.
You don't want to see it bad.
Hey, you guys picked these. Terry, if you don't know these, they all picked these. Dirk and I didn't have anything to do with them, but a couple. So, here's another tie.
Does this go well in my office, you think?
Yeah. As long as your office is in this building. Just say it.
That's right.
Fair enough.
Just say it. Am I right, Woogie?
Right.
Yeah. All right. Most likely to succeed in life no matter what they do. And this was a tie also. And as voted on by peers, Kelly Neas and
Robbie Vanderbush. That's quite an award from your peers.
Stand up, Kelly.
This is cool. You guys and your ties really made it difficult on us here.
and this is quoted too. Best overall dude. Robbie Vanderbush.
And Zach Youngman.
Dude.
Hey,
Rob.
How's
Woody.
it?
that's overall dude.
Hey, that's pretty cool.
Woody Bear.
Most likely to own their own shop, Zach Youngman. I know some of the frame. That was a $2 frame.
I know that.
Don't forget me when you're famous.
Okay.
This is a tie. Love it. Love it. Love it.
Alright, so when I was a kid, when I was most of y'all's age, they didn't have this. But on TV now, they got like, they'll put people's lives on TV and let you experience it with them, right? What do they call that? Reality TV. Most likely to end up on reality TV, and this is a tie also. Keith Fisher and
Zach Archer.
Cops doesn't count.
Dad, smile.
Thank you all.
I want to thank my sponsors.
All right. This one has Terry's signature on it. So, Dedication Professionalism Award. This was a award for given in your grateful recognition. There's a couple of these here. Quite a few of these actually. For your time, efforts, and results in competing in the Skills USA Iowa Motorcycle Contest. Congratulations. Like I said, there's going to be a few of these. Jeff Van Dusen. Danny Gashel. Woody. Alan. Craig called, he couldn't be with us today. 5 of you up here? Okay, we're good.
Just died.
Maybe
Cheese, that's hardcore cheese.
I don't want to hear about the short guy in front.
Otherwise, we're getting
Terry, can we get your phone?
Get in it. You're in this one, Dr. Terry.
I'm in this one?
Yeah.
So I can't be texting?
No, you.
Hey, guys, let's, Terry, you obviously have heard about this contest, but Zach here is our winner. He is the gentleman that's going to nationals.
I talked on the phone.
Okay, all right.
I was really ready to support this until I knew it was Zach. So now we're going to see what we do.
Is that dead or are we still good?
Although he can't tell us nothing.
It's still good.
Okay, this is a service and dedication award. Also signed by Terry here. Grateful for your recognition. Appreciate your efforts, time, and commitment to the Motorcycle Power Sports Club for the 2012-2013 year. And I don't think anybody would have any doubt who this is. Cowboy. Okay.
Smile, cowboy. Come on, Bernie, you can do it.
Right.
Yeah, man, this ain't 8th grade football. Smile.
He feels small enough to play 8th grade.
All right. I think I see a truck out there, but I'm not seeing it.
More love.
Class Clown awarded to Omar Love.
Say something funny.
Acceptance of this award requires a joke.
That you can say in front of the president of the college.
Just take the picture.
Shane, you're going to get in.
A whole new level.
On the spot, man. All right. More fun stuff here. Best troubleshooter, Zach Youngman. Oh, hey, thank you.
I think I brought my pickup today.
You're the prodigy for a reason.
I'm on fire. It'll be all right. Okay, it's okay. They're back. Hold on. Top machinist and fabricator chosen by your peers, Zach Youngman. This is Greg. Hold on. Top engine builder, the other one I would want so bad, Zach Youngman. I am curious if Lionel's project would have been done a week ago before the voting, maybe some challenge there.
I'm building my second race motor. Come on.
How many plaques do you got sitting over there? 3. Well, best salesman. Hey, guys, this one is way cool too because we're really trying to get WIT to think outside the box about our parts department and what that looks like, right? So we're looking to have that parts specialist certification along with your guys' small engine stuff, and I think stuff like this really makes sense to me. Best salesman, and I would have picked this as well, Omar Love.
Anybody want to buy a half-built Virago?
Best with electrical. Best with electrical. Casey Sheets.
Yeah.
I especially figured that out after this last week of working with you. Most friendly. This one surprised me. Robbie Vanderbilt. This is a cool new one. They're all new, aren't they? But I dig this. Top, you guys are going to know I'm on this one. Top parts, research, and documentation tech. Ross Lesher.
Just behind the.
All right, top dyno tuner. You guys chose Zach Youngman. I think you guys should have had this. Probably we voted on this before this last week. I think it might have been a little tougher too.
Kyle Kelly did it like a month, 2 months ago.
Kelly's motor's ready for a rebuild.
All right, guys. You said put this one last, and I agreed.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys chose, and like anything, you know, we didn't try and manipulate this to make everybody get a award, or it's just this was for you guys, and it's all about that investment and about the relationships. And out of all reality, you guys are, all of you have something that you gave, something that you put forward, but you take all of that together and you guys chose a top class mechanic, so you're top of the class, and you guys chose.
Hold on. Because I want to talk just a little bit about, there's a book that I read that talks about reaping and sowing. And it says that whatever you put into the ground is what you get out of the ground, which makes sense right now, right? Farmers are putting more in the ground. So this speaks to me, it tells me about people that have sowed into the industry, sowed into themselves, and about being better. So, and as well as it.
You guys chose. Drum roll. Zach Youngman. Before you accept this,
I gotta say something.
Before you accept this, better win that. Guys, tell them why you chose him. Throw some stuff out there. Make him cry.
Still in there more.
Don't be quiet.
I didn't vote for second time. He threatened us. I voted for him.
You guys just thought too many personal stories or what?
You're very, very helpful.
Thanks, eh?
Yeah, that's why I voted for him, man. Good ones.
He knows
He's always willing to get in there and help you figure stuff out.
My bike probably wouldn't run if it wasn't for herself.
He's right most of the time.
Most of the time. He digs what we do. He wakes up and gets his excellence.
Zach, proud of you. I bet that wasn't the easiest one either. And Dirk and I, we didn't even get to know who did the results because we had Brandis do it, and we wanted to be shocked too. We wanted to be like, oh, that's cool, or oh, that hadn't been 5 people, so fun stuff. Okay. That's Craig Belts. That's it. Guys, like I said, we already got all emotional and all, trying to get started off here, but we really hope that you guys have a blast today. We just wish you off to just a great opportunity. We're going to be seeing a bunch of you guys at graduation, and I don't know if it's you guys or how that works for nominating me for that Outstanding Teacher Award. That choked me up like crazy too. So as much as you've given and we've given back, I just had an absolutely outstanding time with you all.
I have one request before we shut off that camera. I would like Dirk to read this out loud, please.
And maybe before that, if I could just say a quick word, we'll let him read that if you want him to. But hey, I want to thank everybody here. We started this program not too long ago, and we were taking a little bit of a risk on what kind of a program we should start, and quite a few people said we should not do motorcycle. Somebody came to us and convinced us otherwise, and I'm glad that he did. Because when I go around the community and people talk to me about programs, this is one of the programs that comes up the most. Because of, I don't know what you guys are doing out in the community, I don't know why folks are resonating that with it, but I know that students, you guys are doing a fantastic job. Thank you for all that you're doing with that. But I also want to thank Dirk and Shane for everything that they've done, because I believe that programs are made by faculty who are dedicated and who believe in their students. And I think you guys, over the last 2 years, have had 2 of the best faculty to do that. They're always looking out for where can we go, how can we improve this program, and they care deeply about you guys personally and what you learn. So for that, I want to thank Shane and thank Dirk for everything you've been doing.
300,000 YouTube views we hit the other day. We hit 301,000 the other night here. Take a picture.
With these two guys?
All right, as long as I don't
Do you want me to get you Kleenex?
A couple months ago, Ross, I started saying a poem. It's one that I hadn't kicked around in a lot of years. And I want to tell you some of the results of it, that Odyssey running. So I want you to listen to the meaning of this poem, that Odyssey running. What are some other projects that really took a long investment to get going? Danny, you got your Gold Wing, and it wasn't overnight to get it to where it is. What are some other projects? Oh boy, you got that Virago that's in its finishing stages right now.
My bike.
Beans bike, that's a great example right there. Jeff's bike, another great example. So there's a multitude of people that have the characteristic and the quality of this poem. So I just want you to listen to it in that frame of mind. I was not delivered unto this world in defeat, nor does failure course through my veins. I'm not a sheep waiting to be prodded by my shepherd. I'm a lion, and I refuse to walk, to talk, or to sleep with the sheep. And I will hear not those who weep and complain. The slaughterhouse of failure is their destiny. I will persist until I succeed. And that's what those guys did to bring home their projects. It's the 2% that go 2% further that is good to great, and that's what you guys are showing me all the time. So it's been my pleasure to be an instructor.
Thank you guys. I'm almost done.
Computer program.
Hey, anybody who wants to help throw down on this little cleanup, we appreciate it.
There's food.
Anybody who didn't cook?
Hey, thanks guys, have a great summer. Thank you. Enjoy. You bet.
So is that a wrap?